Hello, traders and enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Please let me read this disclaimer carefully before engaging in any forex trading activities. Forex trading carries substantial risk and is not suitable for everyone. The information provided is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Conduct thorough research and analysis before making trading decisions. Leverage can amplify profits and losses, so use it cautiously. Choose a reputable broker with a reliable trading platform. Emotionally control yourself and avoid impulsive decisions. Comply with laws and regulations and consult a tax professional. You are solely responsible for any losses incurred. Forex trading is not a quick path to wealth or financial independence. Only trade with funds that you can afford to lose. In this video, we will uncover the secret of the daily pivot point strategies that promise to transform your trading techniques from mediocre to profitable. In trading, daily pivot points are a technique for figuring out the market's general trend, as well as the levels of support and resistance by averaging the high, low, and closing prices from the previous day. Contrary to other indicators that vary dynamically during the day, pivot points are constant and unchanged. It can be used in all tradable instruments. There are different types of pivot points and levels. But for today's video, we will be focusing only on the daily pivot points in order to keep things simple. By using pivot points, which are calculated based on the previous day's high, low, and close prices, traders can identify key levels of support and resistance that can help guide their buy and sell decisions. But what exactly are these pivots? Essentially, they are key decision points where traders must quickly assess market conditions, analyze risks and rewards, and adjust their trading approach. Get ready to pivot and dive into the world of mastering pivotal points in daily trading strategy. In this video, you will get the proper knowledge on how to use the daily pivot points and watch your profits skyrocket. In order to trade using the daily pivot points, you should first of all identify the market bias, that is bullish or bearish bias. There should be a clear trending market, that is uptrend or downtrend. The beginning of a trend will be so perfect. Ranging or choppy markets are not suitable to trade using the daily pivot points. You need to see a clear trend. This chart in front of us should not be used to trade using the daily pivot points because, as you can see, there is no trend and prices in a range. In this situation, a trade using the daily pivot points cannot be executed, so you have to pass and continue to search till you see a currency pair with a clear trend. No trend, no trade. A trend can be determined by using trend lines, moving averages, or market structure. The white horizontal lines that you see on this chart is the daily pivot points, and it is being printed automatically every trading day. R1 to R7 as seen on the chart is used only for demonstration purposes. As can be seen from this Australian and Canadian dollar 2 hours chart, the downtrend was determined when price reached R1 because structure was already broken, as can be noticed if you look left. We will be looking for selling opportunities when price moves towards the daily pivot points, as can be noticed from R1 to R4. These pivot points acted as a resistance level to stop further price movement. To protect your capital, your stop loss should be above the pivot point and your take profit on the next support level after you must have looked left. As price reached R5, a sell trade was not triggered because price did not close below the pivot point. The next day, a new pivot point was printed above R5 instead of below, since we are in a downtrend. This gives us an alarm that something is about to happen and the trend is about to change in favor of an uptrend. So you should immediately close your trades and leave. Mostly if you notice cluster of pivots without any sequence concerning a clear trend, as can be seen from R5 on this chart in front of us. The currency chart in front of us is that of Euro Australian dollar 2 hours time frame compression. As earlier said, in order to trade with the daily pivot point, there should be clear determined trend. So this chart tells us that we are in an uptrend. We will be looking for buying opportunities when price moves down towards the daily pivot points, as can be noticed from S1 to S5. These pivot points acted as a support level to stop further downward price movement. So profits were made from S1 to S5 and even beyond. To protect your capital, your stop loss should be below the pivot point and your take profit on the next resistance level after you must have looked left. As price reached R1, a buy trade was not triggered because price did not close above the pivot point. That is why the pivot point became R1 instead of S7. The next day, a new pivot point was printed below R1 instead of above, since we are in an uptrend. This situation appeared in our radar to inform us that something is about to happen, and that the trend is about to change in favor of a downtrend. So you should immediately close your trades and leave. Traders must carefully evaluate multiple indicators, monitor news and events, and employ effective risk management strategies to navigate the unpredictable nature of the market. As with any trading strategy, diligent research, backtesting, and continuous learning are essential to derive maximum benefit from this approach. So, as traders vie for that elusive edge, the daily pivot point trading strategy remains an intriguing option to explore, offering both opportunities and challenges for those eager to decipher the enigmatic language of the markets. In conclusion, the daily pivot point trading strategy serves as a valuable tool for avid traders looking to navigate the volatile waters of the financial market. With its ability to offer crucial insights into potential price movements and support and resistance levels, this approach has garnered attention for its potential to enhance profitability. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.